be notified. So guys, we all know that some big shots, yes, celebrities were supposed to meet up with the new IGP today. Yes, the police administration, Abetu Santana, Stoneboy, Shatta, Efia Shasnega, KKD, and so many more were supposed to meet up this morning with the new IGP, Mr. Dampare. Yes. So while the meeting was ongoing, Shatta was present, and this video here will show you how happy Shatta was, along with Bulldog and Stoneboy, whilst they were coming in. You can watch the video, see how happy they were looking. Yes. And this new one, you can see how angry Shatta is looking at. So Shatta walked out from the meeting because he was pissed, and the boy power sitting. While they were sitting, everybody took out his or her phones and they were taking pictures and all that. The police shout to on, so said on funny phone into us. So he got pissed that why should he do that to him? Because I didn't know what he's a free prisoner and answered the internet. The phones, what was wrong with them? You should have asked everybody to put his or her phone down. But there's no case of no one Shatta on them on funny phone to us. So there's this small video that is going viral. Let's take a look at it. You've seen how pissed Shatta was. Shatta was trying to tell one of the police officers, I don't know who exactly Shatta was talking to yet, but how he was really pissed that he didn't understand. Say, Shatta when in the phone now, you are coming to shout on himself. You should put the phone down. He wasn't the only one there. Stoneboy was there, Shatta was there, Bulldog was around, almost everybody was there. In the Shatta police in the way and then because he's having issue with the police and I say well prison but is it because of that particular reason why the police had to look down on holding him? And if that's the reason, police he didn't do well because he shouldn't have done that at all, because he's not the only person that was there. Like I said, Stoneboy was there, Abetu Santana was there, Shatta was there, Bulldog, all of them was around. In someone phones at one, pressing their phones, and only he Shatta removed his phone. Now police shouting on to say, oh, you phone into one India. Then that was not really good. You can see how pissed he was, and I am sure the IGP will have something to say about this. He will talk about this particular issue because he walked out from the meeting and we just let him go for and I know that he will really say something about it. And if it is wrong that the police did that, they will render an apology to Shatta. And if it wasn't wrong, then they will not render any apology. So if anything that will happen, the meeting is still ongoing though. Yes, so I'll bring you all the updates tomorrow. So don't forget, subscribe so that tomorrow you will not miss anything that I have to say about this particular issue here. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all social media platforms, Xposed GH. My name is Salimat Al Hassan. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.